What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. I was able to get this in the navy blue color. The model I have here is the 256 gigabyte model, which is currently retailing for $1,899. Typical Samsung fashion, you know. This is pretty much how the Galaxy Z Fold 6 came packaged as well. So let's go ahead, turn it around. Two tabs right here to peel. Move it up for you guys. Wow, these are actually really on there. All right, we got one, and then you also got one on the bottom. Okay, sweet. So turn it around. Ooh, okay. So first impressions, this blue is actually really nice. The reason that I didn't go with the silver shadow was because that's the one that everybody's been pretty much getting, and it kind of looks like that titanium color, and between us I feel like that titanium color is kind of starting to get boring. So I went a little different route. I went with the blue, and I'm not disappointed at all. Actually, it looks really good. Off the bat, the first things that you'll notice is that like the corners are now squared off. They're no longer rounded. So that's something to keep in mind. I believe that they switched like the bezels on here, and they made them just like 0.1 millimeters smaller. Correct me if I'm wrong. From what I've been seeing, people say that it does play a big difference. So, you know, we're gonna go ahead and see how that looks. So let's go ahead and peel this off. So you have a little tab right here. Peel that off, and let's go ahead and start it. Okay, had a little mini heart attack there. Samsung Galaxy, secured by Knox. So let's go ahead and remove this screen, this cover screen here. So let's just take that out. Powered by Android. All right, so first things first, I will say that the display out here does look like it got a little bit better. I guess I can see, you know, kind of what everybody's been talking about. Inside display, yeah, you can definitely see little minor adjustments. I mean, this is not like go-to year if you want to get a brand new Fold. It's just little incremental upgrades that they did. But I have to say, in the hand, feels good, feels sturdy. I do like these squared edges now. It actually makes the phone feel a lot more premium. That's just my opinion though. I really love this blue though. Like, wow, it like makes you feel like secure in your hand. But let's go ahead. So easy setup with another device. So I am currently using my Galaxy S24 Ultra, and I will pass all that information on later just for the sakes of this video, and I don't want this video to take longer. Let's go ahead and just set up manually. So I'm just going to set everything up, and I'll be right back. And all right guys, and we are finally all set. So let's go ahead and click finish. I know I kind of gave you already my first impressions, but it does feel a lot better than the Z Fold 5 did in the hand. This front screen, I mean, I know it's barely a difference numbers wise, but I guess I can see the difference with the bezels being smaller. I would say that with this color, the design, definitely A+. You know, Samsung really did knock it off. I mean, I know it's not a huge update, but it definitely feels a lot better in the hand. The inside screen, it's amazing. I mean, especially now, the both inside and outside display are 2600 nits, which is great because that is something that, like, if there's one thing I've always loved about my S24 Ultra, like the screen on this thing, like the screen on here, like when it's bright out and the sun is like right on it, I have no issues whatsoever. So I'm kind of glad that they brought that into the Fold series. It's definitely an upgrade that was definitely needed. So you know me, and it's a tradition in this channel, we gotta test out the video. So let's go ahead and watch one of my previous videos. Let's do this one. What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we will be unboxing the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So let's get right into it. So first things first, you're gonna have two stickers here when you order it directly from Google. So let's just go ahead and cut these up. And then from here, we have our Google Pixel 8 Pro case. I got the black one because I got the black phone. You know, I was thinking about getting the baby blue one, or I don't really know what they call it, but decided to go with the black. You can't go wrong with black, right guys? So here is the Pixel 8 Pro, Google Pixel 8 Pro. So yeah, first things first, you know, first impressions, you know, we all know Google is, you know, starting to come up, starting to make better phones. I'm really excited to see the new display on this phone because if you know Google. So yeah guys, speakers A+. You know, Samsung's always been a company that when it comes to speakers, they always do a really great job. I mean, there was no surprise there whatsoever. But I have to say, just for initial, I honestly have to say, I know everybody's going with the silver shadow, but guys, this blue, don't sleep on it. This blue is like super sexy, like it looks premium. I'm actually really happy that I went with this one. I'm really happy to see that this screen is now somewhat functional. I just can't wait for the day that they make the screens equivalent to like the S24 Ultra, but you know, that's a topic for another day. But yeah guys, honestly, and I believe that the only really big differences from this generation to the previous generation Galaxy Z Fold 5 is just the thinner bezels, the square sides, which honestly it's a big upgrade in itself. It feels a lot more secure in the hand. The 2600 nits peak brightness and the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. The battery life, now they kept the battery the same. They didn't switch that up whatsoever. I don't know why. I mean, a bigger battery would be better. If anybody knows that used the Galaxy Z Fold 5, the battery on that phone was, I mean, it wasn't the greatest. There's definitely a lot of improvement. I know that they can only do so much with a foldable, and with the screen and all the cameras and everything. Again, don't sleep on this navy blue. This navy blue, this is just, you know, my initial impressions. Just wanted to show you guys phone, the unboxing experience. So yeah, also guys, just don't forget that this is on the top of the box. So it's just paperwork and a cable. Crazy to say that like you spend almost $2,000 and you don't even get a power brick, you know. I also did get a case for this phone, so let's go ahead and bring that out. The case that I got was the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 S Pen. I did go with the gray one because unfortunately my local Best Buy did not have the blue one, but I really want to rock this phone with no case, but that would be dumb of me, you know, to do that, especially with how expensive these phones are. So let's go ahead and move this to the side and let's unbox the case. So right here, they have two stickers here and one sticker here. So I'll just go ahead and do the bottom one. All right, so, so I just took the bottom sticker down here. So let's go ahead and bring this out. So the reason I went with this case is because like there's some other like cases for the Fold that make it feel super bulky, and I also don't like when they have like a cover on this. I mean, I know it protects the phone a lot more, but it just makes the phone feel like a freaking brick in your pocket. So let's go ahead and see what how this case looks like. So like right here, it's like nice and so that's how it looks from behind. It says slide to pop S Pen. Oh, okay, I see. Oh, wow. So you slide this down and then that's how you use the S Pen. Okay, that's pretty fancy if you ask me. I have to say guys, and I swear I'm not just saying this, but and I know this is more of an incremental upgrade, but there's something about the square design on this phone. All right guys, so this is what it looks like with the case. Honestly, with the case, it looks pretty fire too. The case does make it feel a lot more like secure in your hands. That's like definitely for sure. And the great thing about this is that since this case does have the S Pen, so you just slide down, the S Pen pops up. I mean, with a device like this, using the S Pen, looks like it's already paired. Wow. This feels really, this is like an upgraded S24 Ultra if you really ask me. Yeah, no, it's I have to admit, I was kind of coming into this a little one-sided, but after initial thoughts and impressions, it actually feels really good in the hand. I can't wait to go ahead and review this for you guys and show you guys the footage with the cameras, how it would look outdoor. I mean, definitely though, this blue is definitely it. By the way, this case did cost me $100. However you want to take that, definitely definitely an expensive case. You don't have to get the one with the S Pen. You can just get a regular case, but I just went and got it with the S Pen. But yeah, no guys, honestly speaking, I just love the case, but man, this blue. But yeah guys, honestly, that's all I have for you guys today. It's just my initial reactions and an unboxing of this phone. This has been the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down. Let me know if you got it, if you did get it, you know, how'd you get it? Like, what gigabytes did you get? What color did you get? Let me know if this video influenced you to get the navy blue. Stay tuned for the review, and I just want to say a special thank you to everybody that subscribed. Honestly, never thought that I would see this, but we are officially at 10.2k subscribers. Thank you very much for everybody that subscribed. It means the world to me. Highly appreciate it. Love the support. Feel free to, you know, hit me up on Insta with videos that you guys want to watch. And yeah, but thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking all my videos. Definitely, you know, it makes you feel a lot better as a YouTuber. Thank you guys. Highly appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the review. Peace out.